So, like, usually at eye exam, they like ask you some questions, and one of those questions is like, there's like this big board, and you have to like read words that are like small to big, and they have to see if you could see those words that are like very tiny.
So yeah, so you're talking about like we start with the up close, that
Mhm.
board, right? And some of the words are really big and then some of the words are really tiny and we want to see how clear you can read up
Yeah.
close. And we ask you to actually like read words, right? They're like
Mhm.
sentences. It's not just like A X E,
Mhm.
right? Okay. And then what else? What happens next?
It stings for a little bit, but after that, you're like fine, and it doesn't really sting anymore.
Yeah. So sometimes we have to put those dilating drops in your eyes. But the good news is that that only happens like once every 2 years, right?
Yeah.
And that's all about looking at the eye health of or the health of your eyes, right? So then the doctor can shine the lights inside your eye and like see the back of your eyeball and make sure everything's nice and healthy and all that good
Mhm.
stuff. So it stings just a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it kind of like getting water in your eyes?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. Okay. Does it hurt more or less?
A little bit more, but doesn't really hurt that much.
It goes away pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But you get kind of blurry. Okay. So we've got the dilating drops. We see how clear we can see up close. Do we see how clear we can see far away?
Yeah.
So you have to like read things that are far, far away.
Mhm.
And then you were also telling me about there's another part where like the doctor kind of makes things look too.
Mhm. Like in the exam room, there's like this TV, and then the doctor has this exam thing that they put in front of your face, and they like split your eyes look like the TV's like splitting, and the doctor said if you could put it back into like one TV.
Yeah. So what she's looking at in that is that she's using special lenses called prisms. And using the prism, she makes something look like it's going farther away from you and your eyes have to like make things like coordinate as it's moving far away from you.
Mhm.
And then it's like she's making things look like they're moving up closer to you.
Mhm.
And you have to make your eyes work together as they come closer to you,
Mhm.
right? And so she's trying to measure how well your eyes work together as a team when you're looking at something going away and when you're looking at something coming up close,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And another thing that we do at your eye exams and that we do here at 4D is that we look at your processing, right? So we
Mhm.
do like eye games where we look at your memory, or I'll ask you to write a sentence, or I'll ask you to draw pictures, stuff like that,
Mhm.
right? Because we got to see how that whole brain is working with your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.